Hi friends, welcome to Lifestyle A to Z. Today let's talk about your daily diet. I am going to tell you a chart and then explain it step by step. This is a general chart. You can change it according to your daily routine. 5:30 is the wake up time. 5:30 to 6:30 do your morning chores like brushing, toilet, cooking, cleaning, whatever it is. Drink at least 3 glasses of water in this period. Maybe 1 glass after every 20 minutes. Then 6:30 to 7 drink a glass of juice. It may be fruit juice, lemon juice or amla juice, or veg soup or buttermilk, or you can have a glass of milk along with 2 wheat biscuits, or milk and cornflakes, or milk and wheat flakes. You can even have one fruit or anything light and non-spicy. Then 7 to 8:30 exercise. If you are thirsty during the exercise, then drink water, and even after exercise drink 1 glass of water. Then 8:30 to 9 get ready, take bath or shower. 9 to 9:30 is the breakfast time. For breakfast you can take poha, upma, shira, kheer, any South Indian dish if you prefer, dosa, uttappa, idli, paratha, cooked sprouts, means boiled sprouts, oats cooked with vegetable, anything from this, plus buttermilk. Buttermilk is compulsory. 9:30 to 1 is your work time. Then 1 to 1:30 or maybe 2 lunch time. Here you can have 2 fulkas with 1 bowl of cooked vegetables, 1 bowl of uncooked vegetables, that is salad, buttermilk or veg soup, 1 bowl of sour fruits along with milk and honey. You can even have jawar roti or wheat roti. 2 to 5 again it's your work time. Then 5 to 6:30 you can have 1 glass of milk with 2 to 3 wheat biscuits, or eat cornflakes or wheat flakes, or have fruit juices, or have 1 fruit, or have a bowl of sweet fruit with curd and honey. Now 5:30 to 7:30 do anything what you like, what you wish. 7:30 to 8 is the dinner time. Now if you are hungry then only go for dinner, otherwise skip this part. In dinner you can have any rice dishes like veg pulao, dal khichdi, veg biryani, oats cooked with vegetable, semolina cooked with vegetables, anything that is light. Don't eat anything after 8 p.m. till morning 5:30 a.m. Now let's discuss this routine step by step. First part is your drinking maximum water in your first hour. That is very important. Drink at least 3 glasses of water. Before exercising, have a light snack, or as I have given, milk with cornflakes or anything. It is important to hydrate yourself because you are going to exercise. Also don't eat any spicy food as it may come to your throat while exercising. Exercise can be done at any time. I usually prefer to do in the morning, so I have given in the morning. But whenever you get time, you can exercise. Exercise at least 1 hour. 1.5 hours is the best. Do a combination of cardio exercise, aerobics, floor exercise, weight training, etc. You can alternate these exercise on each day. Suppose today you are doing cardio, then tomorrow you can go for floor exercise, then the third day you can go for aerobics, for weight training, and so on. There are many videos on YouTube that you can watch for exercise and do it. Personally, I would suggest Walk at Home by Leslie Sanon and Break Free by Bipasha Basu. These are two videos like you can use them for losing weight. Our body is not made for sitting, friends, but it's made for movement. So keep in mind that do not sit in one place more than an hour. This is true while watching TV too. So you have to move around after every 1 hour. Even though if you are eating less but you are not physically active, then the fat is going to pile up, build up, and you are going to become obese. So please exercise at least 5 days a week. Exercise is important in every stage of life, especially when you cross your 40 years. Now this is all about exercise. Let's talk about breakfast and lunch. We say that eat breakfast like a king, take lunch like a common man, and dine like a pauper. So you have to take a heavy and healthy breakfast. Eat whatever you like during breakfast because you need energy to work for the day. See that less oil is used for cooking and include at least 1 spoon of ghee every day. I have made a rule like whatever number of people are there in your home, you can use that much spoon of oil. Suppose you are 3 people at home, use 3 teaspoon of oil. If you are 5 people, use 5 spoon of oil, but not tablespoon, use teaspoon. Then use cut coriander and cut green leafy vegetables like spinach, fenugreek, etc. for garnishing the vegetables. Even you add 1 spoon of ghee when the vegetable is cooked. These green vegetables can be used in salads too. You can use in salads, you can use onion, tomatoes, carrot, then cucumber, cabbage, pomegranate, lettuce, and whatever you prefer that should be eaten raw. Then try to include sour fruits along with your milk and honey. Keep in mind, whenever you are using tangy fruits or sour fruits, it should be mixed with milk, and whenever you are using this sweet fruits, you have to mix it with curd and honey. Instead of drinking water during the meals, drink buttermilk or vegetable soup, because water should be taken half hour before meals and half hour after meals. If you are having lunch at 1:30, see that you drink 1 glass of water at 1, and then after having your lunch, drink water half hour after lunch. Same is the case with the dinner too. Now about dinner, if and only if you are hungry, go for the dinner or skip this part. You can have light 1 course meal for dinner, and that too in very less quantity. Evening snacks should be taken same like the snacks what we are taking before exercising. Now this is all about the diet. We will see now some points to remember which are very important. First is sleep early, wake up early. Exercise at least 5 days a week. Use different exercise routine each day. Eat light snack half hour before exercise. Don't eat spicy food before exercising. Eat heavy breakfast. Use less oil while cooking vegetables and other food items. Use 1 spoon of ghee every day. Replace sea salt with rock salt or Lahori salt. At least use a 50-50 mixture of both. Cut down your tea consumption. Instead, increase intake of buttermilk. Replace sugar with jaggery or honey wherever possible and whenever possible. Make kheer, lime juice, lemon juice, sweet dish. Sugar, use jaggery in these dishes. See friends, brown sugar is good and white sugar is bad. So make less use of white sugar. Then drink lots of water, about 8 to 9 glasses of water every day. Replace a refined flour, that is maida, with wheat flour or rice flour or corn flour. Try to eat green leafy vegetables raw, that is uncooked, whenever possible. Don't eat fruits, curd, buttermilk after 6 p.m. Try and leave cigarette smoking, chewing tobacco and drinking alcohol. I think I have covered maximum things here today. I am going to make a video in Marathi too, because some of my friends told me to make this video in Marathi too. You can watch the Marathi people can watch that video. Now friends, you may ask, shouldn't we eat any pastry, cake, sweets, burger, pizza, fried foods, junk foods at all? There is no human being who can resist such foods. So what I suggest is mark 2 days in a month where you can eat this type of food. But then don't break this rule and eat it on other days, and don't give any excuse, because once you have taken this junk food in those 2 days, that's enough. Now friends, if you have liked my video and if you think that these are the tips that are helpful for you to make your lifestyle healthy, then please like here, share and comment here. You can comment any of your problems too. I may resolve it. Also, you can subscribe to my channel so that you get the notification when I upload my next video. So I may take your leave now. Till then, stay fit, stay healthy. Thank you. Bye.